Sorry. So we will use Android Studio for designing purpose and development purpose. First, we will create a new project after opening it here. The- and here there have so many basic designing have given. So we will use only empty activity. Empty activity have a simple white screen for your app. When you run this app, you have only show hello world example. This is so first we have only in the in the learning period we will use only empty activity. When we learn something, then we will use uh, Google Map activity for Google Apps and login activity and etc. Many have. So only use empty activity in starting, and after then we will click next. There is the here we will given the name of my app. So my app name is my first app, and here this is the package name. Package name uh, is create a package that have all files included like Java files, XML files, and everything. So package name is just like your company domain name. Uh, there have two separator, three separator, and many more. So minimum two separator it's included, like anything, your name, your company domain name, and etc. This package name is used to when you publish your app in Play Store. So just an example, when you open Play Store, Play Store, Google Play. This is the Play Store. There are various app have present. So now click on app. So when we click any app, just like WPS Office. So here in URL included ID is equal to something. Here cn.wps.mobile underscore 189. This is the package name of this app. Every app have a package name. That package name uh, Google Play Store give him ID. Just like ID of Smart Office have Home, Pixel, TBS. They have multiple separator. So this is the package name of your app. My app package name is the com.anki.myfirstapp, and anything else. But first app name has included in the separator. So this is the location of my app where my app is saved. This is the language, basic language. We will use Java, and here is the minimum SDK. You have to select a minimum SDK. It's by default select maximum SDK. SDK is the software development kit. An version is when a version is in developing mode, there have code, sub rule regulation have included. So every API API have sub development kit and sub package name. So we will select minimum 21 because minimum 21 API have some uh, standard coding after before this some 20, 19, 18, 17, 16 have no standard coding variation. From 21 to latest support material designing. We will discuss in material designing when we will develop app. So here when we create app, we will use minimum API 21. This is the best for your app development, and it's already the latest version of your app yeah, that present in the Android world. So minimum we will select API 21. After clicking, we will click on finish. After clicking finish, it takes some couple of minutes to bundle the app. Uh, Now Gradle have completed. Let's some discuss about Project Explorer. This is my Project Explorer. All app files have present here. So first is the manifest, second is the Java, and third is the REST. Manifest is the main root for file of your app. It have information about all activities, services, and permissions. And it's also with dependency. There have app icons, app names, and app themes, app package name all is available here, and we will change it according our desire. So this is my app level name. There have only one activity. Activity. What is activity? Activity is the uh, in any app you saw a screen. That screen is called activity. Every screen represent the activity. Activity is the combination of Java file and XML file. Uh, in Java file we will add a coding part, and XML file we will add designing part. Okay, so there in my app there have only one activity. If we add another activity, that automatically available here. So just create another activity. For this, we will click on app, right click on app, and select new, and and select activity, and choose embed activity. And there is the name of my activity. If we want to change, we will change it. Otherwise, only click finish. Then automatically a new activity have created, and that information is present in environment first. So here is my second activity. So there are difference between this activity and this activity, because this activity have only uh, uh, two tags, but this activity have multiple tags. Just like here, intent filter, but intent filter is not present in this activity. So what is the work of intent filter? Intent filter give the permission to that activity to launch, making launch. Every app have a activity that run first. So this intent filter decided which activity is running first. If we want to run this activity first, we will cut this intent filter and change paste in this activity. So we will not change this time. Only it's information purpose. So we will change it after some time only. This time there have two activity. So my app had two pages. Okay. So Android manifest have the information about your app, just like how many activity and services, and also permission. Suppose when you download any app, uh, after downloading, it's ask you some permission, like location permission, storage permission. So all permission giving in manifest. If we not give that permission, so that dialog is not open when you install any app. So how to add permission? To add permission, we will click here and write usage permission. After then, if we want to add permission of camera, so we will select camera and close. If we want to add permission of location, so write usage permission and write location, and choose access find location. So the both have given the and find location. So after using this, we will use camera properties and location properties in app. And if you not add permission, then my app does not use the camera of your hardware of camera and find location of your app. So without including this, we will not use the features of location and camera. So permission is essential for app gives permission. So this is the Android manifest file. Second folder is the Java. Java have the coding part of every activity. We will create two activities. That is activity one. By default, mine activity is created at the app creation time, and second activity have created this time. So all Java file is present in this app. Whenever you create any activity, automatically that Java file have come in this folder. Okay, so all Java file is included in this folder. So whenever you require any Java file, you put that in this folder. Okay, they have another two file, but it is not useful for this time. So close this. And third folder is the res. This is res means resources. All resources that is used in your app, that all files are present in this folder. Number is the drawable folder. Drawable folder have icons of your app. Suppose you want to create many icons, and all icons are present in drawable folder. If you want to download any images and create an image, so first download that image and copy that images in the drawable folder. Second is the layout. We will discuss. We have already discussed about uh, an activity have an XML file and a Java file. Java file is present in Java folder, and that XML file is present in this layout folder. That is here the we have two activity. Number one activity main activity, and number two the main activity two. And here is the XML part of the activity. Third is the map folder. Map folder have the launcher icon of your app. Uh, this time, if we run this app, this create the launcher icon in your app. Suppose we will run this app. So for running, we will click on this run icon, and here is the list of your mobile. This time I have connected my physical device, and Android Studio also provides some physical virtual device. If you want to run on physical device, you can create by using device manager. So I have connected my physical device. Here is my mobile name, and when we click on this icon, it's automatically download install in my mobile. So after downloading, it takes some couple of time, and then it's automatically installed in my mobile. This is my mobile. You can also connect your mobile by using USB wire, and run your app in your mobile. You have to enable developer option in your mobile. How to enable? We will discuss it early, sometime after some time. First, we will check it how to download in your mobile. So this is installation process. It automatically install in your app in your mobile. Okay. So this is app installed in my app automatically. This is called Hello World app. When we go outside of my outside of this app, here is the my app, my first app, and this is the by default launcher icon that is given by Android Studio. So this is the launcher icon that Android Studio provide you. If you want to change, you can download or create that image and paste that is in Map folder. So how can it change? We will discuss after some classes. This time we will not discuss about how to change. You only know about what is the work of Map. Map folder only hold the launcher icons. Okay. Next is the values. Value have colors, strings, and themes. Colors folder, colors files have some by default created color, and we will also create that color when we required use. So how to create color? For create color, we will use tag color and the name of your color. So we will give color name my color, and here all color hexadecimal code we will use. There have various color, or all color have various uh, hexadecimal code. So we will only uh, remember any one color. So I have remember black color. Black color have #000. After writing color, click on this icon and select color whatever you required. So we will change it red color. So this is red color. This time we will not use after some classes we will use it how to change the color. This is this time only I give you information about this, and this is the string for a string file that contains all the text of your file, and that is the button name, text, edit text name, text view name, everything we will define there, and then we will call the, uh, then we will use in my design page. And this is the theme. What is the theme of your app? So this is the by default dark action bar, or how to create it and how to design. We'll discuss it after some classes. This time this is not useful. So this is the basic info about your all folder and what is the work of that folder. So we will start the now designing process. So first design this. We will some discuss get some discussion in last session, but we will start it again from scratch from beginning level. So first of all, you have to change the layout, because this is the advanced layout. We will start from basic layout that is called linear layout, that design in two way, horizontally and vertically. So we will change it linear. This is the parent layout, and in Android without layout we will not design. So first we will decide my parent layout, and this is the linear layout. You have to add one item that is called orientation, and we will decide which types of design we want. If we want to design in vertical direction, we will choose vertical, and if we want design in horizontal, we will use horizontal. In vertical, everything come to below of any item, just like hello world is here. After then we will add any another text view that is below of that, below of this view. So this time we will use vertical, and remove this predefined text view, and here add the background to change the color of your background sorry activity. So background, there have some predefined color. We will use color black. It makes the color black. If we want to change, uh, uh, I have created my color. That name is my color. We have already defined this color in colors folder. Here, this is the color. So we will change according to our desire. So this is the color. Or if you want to change, if you want to add a picture background, so you have to download that picture. So last class we have downloaded this images. So we will use this image this time, and firstly copy it and paste that images in Drupal folder, because Drupal folder holds all images of your files.